Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CSV Expo. So we are continuing with our CSV module, and this time we will look at the CSV reader object parameter. So it has many number of parameters, but we will look in the most important ones. Right now in this tutorial we will look at skip initial space. Now what is skip initial space? So in this program I just import the CSV module, clear the screen, and I have a file called people underscore spaces. Right? So let us see people underscore spaces. So as you can see, again a comma separated file, but you see there is some initial spaces, right? Space, Sachin, then some spaces here, then Albert Einstein. So as a string, these spaces don't matter, right? The initials and the endings space don't matter. So one method is that when you read all these values, you can use a strip function that we have already seen in Python, right? But Python provides you even a better way. So it says that in the CSV reader object, there is a flag which says skip initial space. Right now I am keeping it false just to show you the difference between the outputs. Right? So when I keep this skip initial space equal to false, or let us say if I don't specify this, so your file is just read like the previous ones, but you see there are some prefix spaces that are coming. Right? So we don't want these spaces. So one method is like, because see, these spaces may come in India also, before cricketer, before Germany, right? So we have to use the strip function many times. So what Python module does, what the CSV module does, is provides you with a flag skip initial space is equal to false. It can be true also. So let me just copy paste the code and just say it true. And let me just print here. Now setting skip initial space as true. Now just see the observed output between the two. Okay. So this is the original output where I am setting skip initial space equal to false. By default this false only. Right? So you can see the spaces that are coming in. But when now you set the skip initial space equal to true, you can just see Sachin. So Sachin, the initial spaces are now automatically trimmed. Right? Similarly for Albert Einstein, I had some more initial spaces which is also trimmed. Right? So these are the flags which are actually provided by the CSV reader. There are other tons of flags that you can refer to the Python documentation. We will cover the most important flags in this video. Right? So that is all for this lecture with having skip initial space equal to true and false. Thank you.